Needs improvement, understanding the phrase. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase, needs improvement. Whether in school, at work, or in personal development, this phrase is often used to communicate that something isn't quite up to standard yet, but has the potential to get there. Let's unpack what it really means and how you can use it effectively. Needs improvement is a phrase used to politely indicate that something is not performing as well as it should. It implies that while the current state is not ideal, there is room for growth and enhancement. This term is often used in professional and educational settings, providing a constructive way to point out areas that require attention without being overly critical. 1. Educational settings. Teachers use this phrase on report cards or in parent-teacher meetings to indicate that a student's performance in a particular subject or skill area could be better. 2. Workplace reviews. During performance evaluations, a supervisor might use needs improvement to highlight areas where an employee can enhance their skills or productivity. 3. Personal development. Individuals might use this phrase in self-assessment or in goal setting to identify areas of their life or skills they wish to improve. When someone says your work or performance needs improvement, it's important to 1. Stay positive. Understand that this is an opportunity for growth, not a failure. 2. Ask for specifics. Politely ask for details or examples to understand what exactly needs to be improved. 3. Create a plan. Develop a strategy with actionable steps to address the areas that need improvement. 4. Seek feedback. Regularly ask for feedback to ensure you are on the right track towards improvement. Needs improvement is not a phrase to fear but an opportunity to grow and excel. Embracing this concept with a positive attitude and a plan of action can lead to significant personal and professional development. We hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, needs improvement, more confidently. Remember, every journey towards improvement begins with recognizing the potential for growth. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.